Present, Miss.
Aulia Hadayani.
Miss.
Ridho.
Present, Miss.
Fikran Maulana Akbar.
Present, Miss.
Okay, great. I think all of the students is present today. So before we going to talk about new topic in this meeting, do you guys remember what we have learned in last week? We talked about
Procedure text.
oh, good job. So what is procedure text?
Procedure text is a type of writing that explains how to do something step by step.
So today we will learn another type of text in the language lesson. What is it? First, you can see the first slide in this picture. So, from attention guys, look at this screen. They are three pictures. Have you ever heard or read about these pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mari Kundang and
Kancil,
Kancil,
and crocodile. So, the most deer
and crocodile.
Can you mention the character in the story of Malin Kundang?
Malin.
Kundang, his mom, and then
His wife.
and then
His
Yeah.
his
The village.
yeah.
So this picture, they are all the stories. So today we will learn about narrative text. So before we know about the definition in narrative text, I hope all of you guys in the end of the lesson will be able to understand what is the definition of narrative text and the purpose, and you can identify the genre structure, language feature, and maybe you can analyze what moral value that we can get after it, the narrative text. First, I will explain to you what is the definition and purpose of narrative text. So, what is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of a text that tells a story with imaginative or factual story, and then usually written in the past. Jadi, narrative text ini adalah teks yang menceritakan suatu cerita, di mana kejadian-kejadiannya itu bersifat imajinatif atau tidak nyata dan faktual yang nyata dan diambil berdasarkan kejadian-kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu. So, in short, we can say narrative text is a text that tells the story. And what is the purpose of narrative text? There are three purposes of narrative text. First, to entertain the readers. It means after we it means when we read a story in narrative text, we enjoy it while we read the story. And then the story interesting to us to read. Next purpose is to tell a story. It means the writers who want share to us about the event or action or etc. in the story. And then the last purpose of narrative text is to give moral value. It means after we read the story in narrative text, we get a lesson that we can apply in our daily life. After this, Do you guys understand what is the definition of narrative text?
Yes.
Okay. Next is genre of narrative text. Jadi ternyata di narrative text itu memiliki berbagai genre atau berbagai tipe. In this slide, we can see 5 genre of narrative text. First is legend. What is legend? Legend is the story that tells to us about the history of a places. For example, the legend of Lake Toba, the legend of Surabaya, or can